Hello, dear viewers. It's an absolute pleasure to have you here as we embark on this incredible voyage of discovery. Alex Collier's experiences have the potential to reshape our understanding of the universe and our reality, and your support can help spread this valuable message to the world. Before we delve deeper into Alex's wisdom, I kindly ask you to hit that like button below. It may seem like a small action, but your likes empower us to reach a wider audience. Doing so makes you an integral part of this community, united in our pursuit of truth. And while we're at it, why not hit that subscribe button too? By subscribing, you'll be notified whenever we release new videos, ensuring you won't miss a moment of Alex Collier's extraordinary insights. Trust me, you will want to see what's coming. Sit back and relax and listen to Alex Collier discussing what we should be doing to prepare for the transition to 5D.
What exactly should I be doing to prepare for 5D? Are there things I can do to prepare myself? Asking for a friend.
Okay, Maya. For your friend, the best thing you can do is be here now. It's to be here now. It's to ground yourself in what is happening now. The changing of the frequency in the human resonance, the changing of the human perspective, the expansion of the human perspective. You have to be here now in order to embrace what's coming into the future. You can't project yourself into the future and miss everything that's happening now, because it's all relative. It's all relative. If you focus too far into the future, you're missing what's here right now. And what's here right now is where you're creating your future in fifth density or fourth density. She has to be here now, him or her, whoever it is. They have to be here now. They have to be present with everything that's going on now. Because right here, right now is where the expansion of him or her is occurring, and the human race and the human perspective. It's all right now. Okay, it's not 25 years from now. Okay, we don't know what that's going to look like because we're creating it right here, right now. That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of it. The planet may be there, but who you're going to be, you're deciding that right here, right now. That means you have to be here, right now, to continuously create yourself and what it is that you want. Because what you want now is maybe what you think you want 25 years from now may completely change by your circumstances here and now. Being in the present, understanding that this moment is a gift. You are in a state of grace right here, right now, in this moment. And if you can hold that state of grace every moment, not only are you going to be the happiest or joyous person you could possibly even imagine, but you will continue to create that around you. For your entire physical life. when we leave the physical body, and there are plenty of experiences this with near-death experiences, people who have written about this. Their pain, their worries, their fears, they all go away. They no longer exist because they have a completely different perspective now of who they are. They understand themselves to be a spiritual being. So that when they come back into the physical body, the same body they inhabited, they're different. They have a completely different perspective, and they live their lives differently because they're in a moment of grace. They understand it. Now, I don't necessarily think we all need a near-death experience. But the lesson is this. In the moment is what you own. This is where you are. The past is gone and the future isn't here yet. But you're here right now. You are creating what you want right here, right now. Whatever that is. You got to believe in yourself. You have to know what you want, and you have to call it to you. And that's with intention, and that's with emotion. You call it to you. You can only do that in the moment. You can only do that in the moment, right here, right now, because that's where you are. That's where we all are. Future generations are going to look back at this time, at us living here now. And they're going to say, wow, how brave they were to go through this transition without fully realizing how powerful they truly were. We don't realize how much power we have. Clueless, most of us. Absolutely clueless. And yet, here we are, making this happen. Changing humanity, changing the frequency of the planet. Moving with the flow of all that is. For most of us, just on faith. Just on faith. Trusting something we know is outside of ourselves, aka God, Great Spirit. Not fully realizing or embracing the fact that the all that is, Creator God, is in fact us as well. We are in fact an extension of all that. But because of all the human conditioning, physical conditioning, that we're separate from the source. And yet there's a part of us that's still fired up, that's lit, that we can move forward every single day with faith. There's a lot to be said for that. And in the future, they will write about this time. They will be writing about us and how brave we were. Okay, next question. Folks, I hope I'm doing you justice here. I hope I'm doing you justice. I'm still figuring out how to do this. I am, just like you.
Remember, knowledge is power. With your help, we can bring this enlightenment to a broader audience. So please take a moment to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to tap that bell icon. Together, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and usher in a new era of understanding. Thank you so much for your continued support of Alex's work. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you want to see Alex Collier live via video stream, we host an online seminar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information and dates of upcoming online seminars, please visit alexcollier.org. Please click on one of the above videos to seek more of Alex Collier's knowledge.